Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Now, today onward, I will be making video on Fortune 500 MNC HR interview series for 2022, and that will be complete, expected, projected, probable questions and answers, tricky interview questions with smart answers. I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel more than 15 interview basics and group discussion basics, and more than 100 videos already there for personality development and soft skills, including leadership and management skills, motivational inspirational video, creative thinking, out of box thinking, abstract thinking. Please watch all those videos for your complete knowledge, information and learning. Okay, so that you will have clear cut understanding what exactly nowadays in all admission interview and job interview, most of the institutions, organizations, they are asking questions from any, means from everywhere, anything, everything, to be very frank. So I have divided under my YouTube channel three playlist, interview playlist. Okay, first one will be for UPSC IS exam, Public Service Commission. Actually, in government organization, maximum questions are coming from general knowledge, general studies, but that is also important for you. If you want to watch those questions. Otherwise, I have collected for you all also very nice collection of questions, answers for complete together, for all together. If you can say more than 600 interview questions and answers for you all, and one by one I will be giving you all, so that it will be complete preparation for you all. Okay. The very first question I have taken, this is very tricky, very nice question. I have already given video on that, but this is totally different. This is for Fortune 500 company, MNCs in HR interview series, that is only for 1,000 companies in the world. Those are very powerful company, very big company in terms of IT and non-IT companies, industry best company, and they are asking nowadays the questions: what are your salary expectations in terms of million, billion, trillion, jillion? Now, how you will answer these questions? As a fresher, say for example, you passed out from any good institute or whether any institute, no problem at all, and they are asking you this question: what are your salary expectations in terms of million and billion, trillion, jillion? So that you are supposed to know first of all what is million, how much is the million. In Indian rupees, currency system is totally different. In international system, currency system is totally different. Okay, so you're supposed to know first of all how many zero will come under million, billion, trillion, and jillion, and what is the salary market value from for any fresher if they are coming to the market, in particular Fortune MNCs HR company. What is the salary? You can say salary expectations, salary trend in most of the multinational company, industry based company, 1,000 most important companies of the world. So you are supposed to know first of all. As of now, if I will ask you who is getting the maximum salary as an employee, can you answer me? Do you have answer? And here you are supposed to definitely include that answer. Okay, how you will answer this question? So you will answer like this: sir, my expectations as a fresher, as I have passed out from very nice institute, very good institute, in millions. Millions means 10 to the power 6. It means 10 lakhs per annum. Whether it's a CTC package, there are big difference between CTC package, gross salary, net salary, and take home salary. Okay, when I will get time, I will make video on that also, so that you will have clear cut understanding. So you will answer, sir, my expectation as a fresher, as I am from the very good institute, very nice institute, which has got reputation in the Indian market, I am expecting in millions my salary, because I cannot expect my salary in billion as of now as a fresher, but definitely after 10 years of experience or 15 years of experience, definitely I will ask for billions, salary in billions, because already one American Indian, Mr. Sundar Pichai, is getting as a CEO of Google and Alphabet almost 2,000 crore rupees salary after 15 to 20 years of experience. So even I can expect that, but definitely after 15 years experience, or at par with the experience whichever is prevailing in the market. Like this, you are supposed to answer. But definitely, sir, again, you are supposed to flattery at mouth. As a company, you can earn, sir, definitely in jillion also. As a company, you can also answer in jillion. So, what is that? You are supposed to understand. So, billion means 10 to the power 9. Okay. And three figure trillion means 10 to the power 12. and this jillion means 10 to the power 15. This is the basic difference between million, billion, trillion and jillion. And trillion 10 to the power 12 is almost 1 lakh crore rupees. Mr. Sundar Pichai, it might possible after 30 years, 40 years of experience, he may get near to that. But because his salary as of now is 2000 crore rupees as an employee, he is the only one employee in the entire world who is getting this much of salary as a CEO of Google and Alphabet. So like that you are supposed to answer. Again, I will repeat the answer. Very simple answer. Yes, sir. As a fresher, as I'm from the very good institute, nice institute, which has got the very good reputation in the Indian market, I can expect my salary as a fresher in millions, which is 10 to the power 6. As a CTC, a package, whatever you will offer me, that will be nice to me. But definitely I can expect salary in billions after 15 years, 20 years of experience, as one of the Indian American, Mr. Sundar Pichai is already getting 2000 crore rupees as of now after 15 years of experience, more than something like that. And he can expect also in trillion also, it might possible after 30 years, 40 years. So I can also expect that much salary or more than that, if possible from your side. Definitely I can expect, I can dream of that particular salary. But your company can definitely gain and earn in jillions. So what will happen at the same time, you boosted about yourself and flattery at mouth for that particular honor, particular management, administrator, whosoever is taking interview, you can earn in jillions, 10 to the power 15. So from both the sides, you have win-win situation. This is the style of giving interview answer in any interview. If you think you have got something, don't forget to subscribe so that you will be getting notification for all those 600 tricky interview questions with smart answer in coming days. Watch all those questions related to interview and GD. As I told already, there are 15 basics video on GD series and interview series. Don't forget to watch all those series. Even there are more than 100 videos of personality development, soft skill. Watch everything one by one. Subscribe that and keep subscribing. You will be getting notification. Forward this to everyone, all family, friends, relatives and neighbors, so that they will also get complete learning about this. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.